Hi class, this is Yijie Wang. Today I want to talk about neural pressure and healing. When your brain feels pressure, the brain's sympathetic nervous system releases norepinephrine, which temporarily boosts body functions, helping you fight or flight. The hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis also releases a series of stress hormones, cortisol, into the bloodstream. Doctor Wang from UCLA indicates that your stress reaction is to help you run faster, become physically stronger, and more agile, helping you escape the danger around the corner. But if you feel pressure every day, sometimes because of a pullover, sometimes because the complicated social relationship, and sometimes the huge amount of assignments, at this time, the stress reaction may not be useful as the emergency. Not to mention those urgent scenes that you always think of but never happen. White zebra don't get all success. For most creatures on Earth, stress is a reaction to short-term events. Either the stress disappears or you unfortunately died. Sure, the pressure will disappear. When we worry about those stressful things, our psychological and biological system are doing the same thing. But if these reactions been stimulated for a long time period, it can be troublesome. It is generally believed that if the emergency response system is continually stimulated and keep running, it will eventually collapse. Initially, the stress system enabled us to react quickly to emergencies, but as time passes, it cannot respond promptly to emergency situations because of excessive use. Then let's talk about the brain and the neuron. Long-term stress can actually damage the brain, but damage is extensive, some irreversible and some may be reversible. Human brain can be divided into gray matter and white matter. The gray matter is mainly composed of the cell body of the neuron. Cerebral cortex belongs to the gray matter. Brain's cognition, feeling, understanding, emotion, and so on are all generated in the gray matter. White matter is mainly connecting the various parts of the brain responsible for the transmission of electrical signals. Therefore, the structural integrity of the gray matter and white matter is very important to the normal operation of the brain. Brain cells are widely linked. In addition to neurons, brain cells also have glia cells. Glia cells include four kinds: astrocytes, oligodendrocytes, microglia, and Ng2 cells. Except the brain cells, there are endothelial cells that make up blood vessels. Research shows that long-term stress can lead to the following injuries: volume reduction of gray matter and white matter, the number of nerve cells and its morphological changes, the number of synapses and its morphological changes. Luckily, our brain has the ability to self-healing. According to Norman Deutsch, there are steps of healing: correction of general cellular function of the neurons and glia, neurostimulation, neuromodulation, neural relaxation, neural differentiation, and learning. Some of the patients may just need some of the stages to be cured, but the others may need to complete all the stages. Thank you for listening. Here are the discussion questions.